Welcome to Fricks Homestay, your serene retreat amidst the stunning rice terraces of Banaue. We are ideally located close to viewpoint rice terraces. Relax in our sunny terrace and the beautiful mountain view. Fricks Homestay is the perfect base to explore UNESCO-listed rice terraces, traditional villages, and scenic hiking trails. Experience authentic Ifugao culture with modern comforts in our cozy, spacious rooms, offering breathtaking views of the mountain. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by our friendly team dedicated to making your stay unforgettable. We are committed to sustainable practices and preserving the local culture. At Fricks Homestay, you'll find adventure, relaxation, and cultural enrichment. We look forward to welcoming you and sharing the magic of Banaue. Enjoy your stay at Fricks Homestay